seriously thought of the best idea ever. I'm gonna spray paint this and make it mirror finish. I'm gonna use the LED lights to be the vanity lights and replace it over there. Okay, so this is my vanity. I'm pretty much over it. I've had it for like 15 years, and this is where I put on my makeup, and I have to scrunch down because I can't see myself in the mirror. The lighting is okay, but not that good. It's a little bit juvenile with all these little hearts. I love all my beautiful jewelry, but I'm kind of over having it all displayed on the wall here. It looks a little cluttered. So I'm gonna put it away. I'm gonna find some sort of storage stuff for my makeup. Clear everything off and clean it up a little. Okay, I don't remember how I put this on, so eeh. Oh my god, what did I do? How did I put this on? I feel like I'm gonna have a giant hole in my wall. Okay, I bet these come off. I think these are just nails. Oh, but there's little foam on the back because I tried to make it stay really good. Oh my god, I can't do it. Okay, so they were screws. This somehow stuck to that and peeled off my wall. So maybe the next project I should do is painting my room. This project was going so well. Okay, so I'm going to remove the screws and take this off. And now I have a vanity I can work with and put up my mirror. So I got this a long time ago at Ikea and I'm over it. I want to turn it into something new. I want to spray paint this white, and I got this mirror spray paint to spray on this and to turn this into a mirror. So let's see if that product actually works. I have tweezers to pry off the backing of the glass. I have gloves to protect my nails. I'm gonna wash it before I start, make a nice clean surface. And the Rust-Oleum gloss white paint. And I have the Mirror Effects Rust-Oleum. Okay, laying it out to dry in the sun. Looks so good. All clean and shiny and ready to go. Okay, so this mirror Rust-Oleum says shake vigorously for 1 minute, and it is really crucial for this one to do 4 smaller, lighter, thinner coats for it to work, so it won't get any dripping or globbing. Not like the white one where I could just spray it on and it turned out good. This is really crucial for, I guess, this one to work, to be patient. So for once in my life, I'm gonna do 4 thin coats and take my time. Try. So hard. Wish me luck, and let's start this. So we are going to transform my vanity with foam board and marble paper. Let's start by measuring my vanity. And now I am going to cut my piece out. We're going to take our contact paper and measure how much we want, and we're going to wrap it. Now I'm putting my second one in. Okay, so I'm gonna take my LED strip and I'm going to thread it through the bottom. So just peel off the backing. I hate this chair. Gonna make it go bye-bye. I found it! Oh my god! Yeah! My stool and my lampshade, $9.83. Whee! Yay, IKEA. I already had this pillow, and this comes out, so I'm gonna use this because I have no room for this on my bed. And I'm gonna use the insert of this. I got this on Amazon, $9.99. So what I needed for this project was a pillowcase that had a backing that you could unzip. If I were to spill makeup on it, because it's at my vanity set, I can unzip it and put it in the wash. This is gonna be the fastest, easiest project that I've done on this whole thing. So I just need a screwdriver and something to cut for the attachment of the pillow onto the stool. What I'm going to do is put our pillow inside the cover, and just like that, super cute, nice and fluffy. It's gonna be nice to sit on. Take out the Marius. It gives you all the directions. It gives you the little screws for it, and making an X with them. Super easy. Put that down right there. So this is the top of the stool. We're just gonna go like this. Little slits so I can screw into the bottom of the seat. So attaching the top and bottom together and match up the holes. They give you these little bottom parts with some screws. Okay. So comfortable. Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, I love it. I put this on temporarily because I did rip some holes in the wall and all the paint off. That is a part 2 of this video, is probably going to be painting my room. Already have that scheduled with my girl Shannon. Okay, so also with the Rust-Oleum mirror, it will work, I feel, good as like if you put it in a vase or something that you're not trying to do your makeup in, because it looks cute. Obviously you can see it's a reflection, but when I painted over any like stuff that I wiped to make it clean, it kept that print of the Windex or whatever. It had this residue. So when I spray painted over it, no matter how much I wiped, I even tried this twice, and it still was this cloudy mirror. A vase or something you want to be the mirror effect, it'll be really cool. But as for a mirror you're doing your makeup in, I would not suggest it. Give the Mirror Effects product a thumbs down because it didn't work for an actual mirror. So take that as you will. Loved all their other spray paint though. This turned out freaking amazing. Made the white super bright. Love that spray paint. So definitely give the Rust-Oleum regular spray paint with gloss a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. So as always, please like, subscribe, leave me some comments. I want to hear from you. Mwah! I will see you on the next. Got my monetization, so if you want to watch my other videos, pretend it's like charity and get me my back money so I can pay for all this stuff, that would be awesome. Hashtag not sorry. Shameless, watch my other videos.